guys! So today is Sunday the 30th of May and we are in the 90s pad
She's crawling.
in Avery that loves Ate Lily's room. It's Ate Lil.
And she loves my basketball.
There's Avery. Hello, beautiful.
Is she gonna vomit?
I love Ate Lil's room. Oh, careful.
She's devouring the.
Hi, beautiful. Ate Lily's too. We're running away. She's like, I'm out of here, guys. What are you doing, Avery? This reminds me of Alessandra when she used to do that. Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Where'd mommy go? Where's mommy? Oh, no more mommy. Galing nga! It's like Alali before. Oh. Hoy! Ando na mommy mo! Not there! The other side! So we're currently here. Jella's making tacos!
Tama ba?
Wow, sunog!
Yeah, I like it smoke.
There's Alex. Hi guys. Just making some tacos with Kuya. Just finished up, but I'm washing my hands now. No, you stay with Mama La. Where are you going?
Look at them.
Where are you going?
You're so quick. You're so quick. You're so quick. My girl. My girl.
Hey, si Mama. Lahat tago na ni Mama Lay, lahat ng mga yan.
Buti na lang wala akong gamit. Hindi ka makanawawa mo.
Ordered some cakes from Tita's Cake. This is her mocha cakes. Yummy. Excited to try it.
Oh, cut na natin.
Cut na. Go. Mocha cupcakes.
Mocker.
Cut eh. Talagang half talaga.
Kahapon, dalawang half naman yung ano kan dun nagka-whole cupcakes din
No,
ako.
you had 2.5 actually. You had the other half.
Oh, I had the other one. Oh. After I came home and I was like, I feel sick.
Chuchi. You're gonna have cupcakes? Guys, medyo si Alex na hindi nagsasalita kasi medyo food coma na yan. I know, I can't breathe. So full. Now we're gonna have the mocha cupcakes. Hey guys! So it is Thursday the 3rd of June. And it's just me and Ate here. Hey guys! And we're actually cooking dinner. So tonight we're gonna be having pork ribs and some seafood morning. And there's my dad. Not ribs, pork barbecue, sorry.
Barbecue pork.
Barbecue pork ribs. Okay.
Hindi, wala siyang ribs.
Barbecue pork chop.
Barbecue pork.
Barbecue pork, guys. And then this is our seafood.
We don't have any cheese. We ran out of cheese.
So we're
using whatever cheese we can use.
Swiss cheese.
This is my food. Celery.
That's our favorite with dip. And yeah, we'll show you our dinner later. But right now we're just cooking. Been a quiet day. It's been raining, so we just went quick grocery run. And yeah, Ali's here, but she's somewhere. I'll show you in the vlog later. So yeah.
Bye-bye na.
Wait, balik mo yung chocolate ni Mama La. Hindi na kayo bati niyan. Hey guys, so it is Friday night and it means that it's Friday night dinner with the fam bam. Avery's here in her playpen. She's complaining. Avery, what's wrong? Say hi here. But yeah, she's complaining because I I paused the video a bit, her Cocomelon playing in the background just so I can vlog. And yeah, it is currently 7:30 and we're gonna go to the other house for dinner. So the fam's there and Alexis is out. She's out with her friends. She went to Parramatta and then she's going to get some Starbucks. But yeah, here is Avery, look at her.
Hey guys, I'm with my bestie.
So this is a photo.
And now we're heading to Starbucks. I'm gonna meet my other friends. So this is Jodine. My bestie since she's 7, so. Yeah, for me.
For you? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. I know the best, okay? Like,
You told us that as we get it. No, just kidding.
watch the video.
I'm like, Alex.
I did that. I couldn't fast forward, so then.
I'm like, Alex, don't be pressured. Don't feel pressured. Just relax. Thanks for the shout, Jerry.
You're welcome, bestie.
Baby shark, baby shark,
Remix.
baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Avery, okay na mo nakati sa sabi niya, is it playing?
That's what I got her.
Oh, this is
It's Baby Shark Cocomelon.
Ay, may bagoong. Bagoong to?
Oh,
Ano yan? Chili.
my favorite. Nilaga. Jumbo.
sit. Okay. Wait. Gentle. Gentle. Good.
Saka siya pag hindi sa pagkain, hindi siya sabi ni Abing go, hindi siya